In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable web browsing in Claude AI. First, let's set the stage. Web browsing in Claude lets the assistant look up fresh, reliable information from the internet while it's answering you. This is especially helpful for topics that change quickly, like current tools, recent news, or up-to-date comparisons. To get started, open your Claude account. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If not, sign in on the website and you'll land on your chat area. From here, you can either start a brand new conversation or continue in one of your existing chats. Both work fine, so choose whichever is more convenient. The important thing is that you're inside a chat window with the message box visible at the bottom. Next, look for the small plus icon near the message field. Depending on your screen size, it may appear to the left or right of the input bar. Click that plus icon to open the available tools. Among these options, you'll see Web Search. Click Web Search to enable browsing for this conversation. Once it's toggled on, Claude will be able to fetch information from the web as part of its response. Now you're ready to write your prompt. Type your request clearly in the message box. For example, you might say, search the web for the top 5 good AI tools. You can be as specific as you like. Adding details such as for beginners, for image generation, or updated this year can help Claude target the results more accurately. When you're happy with your prompt, press enter. After you send it, wait patiently while Claude searches. You'll see it think for a moment as it checks sources and compiles a summary. This can take a little longer than a normal response because it's gathering information in real time. Avoid clicking away or sending multiple messages while it's searching. Letting it finish will give you a cleaner, more complete result. When the answer appears, read through the suggestions and notes. If you need more depth, ask follow-up questions like compare the pricing of these tools or show pros and cons for beginners. If the results aren't quite what you wanted, refine your prompt with clearer keywords or constraints. Then send it again. That's all there is to it. Open Claude, enter a chat, click the plus icon, enable web search, write your prompt, and wait for the results. With this setup, you can quickly pull in current information and keep your work accurate and up to date.